Edgar's in Funneltopia here, and a quick update related to workflows in Funneltopia. The allow reentry function is on by default now. It used to be off by default, and now it's on. So what happens here is, let's start one from scratch. When you start a new workflow, this doesn't apply to all the previous ones. That's just, this is for all the new ones you're going to create from now on. If you go to settings, there's this option called allow reentry. Just like I said, it used to be off, now it is on, which is a good thing there's a lot of complaints for people including myself, to be honest. Let's say you do test a workflow, you can only test it once, and if you forget to turn this on, then you can't re-enter the workflow. So you always have to kind of remember this. And for the most part, people went in, they always had to manually kind of switch this on, more times than not. So it's a good thing that now it's on by default. It's easier to switch it off a few times than switch it on a lot of times. So this is a really nice, cool little quick change that's going to make your life easier, really. And yeah, like I mentioned before, this will not affect any of the workflows that have been created so far. This will not switch anything in those, so that's all good. But yeah, this only applies to all the future ones that you create. So yeah, that's it for this one. Go check it out. This is a good, nice little simple addition to make your life easier. If you have any questions, then obviously the chat function here at the bottom, 24/7 chat support, let us know. We'll make sure to respond as quickly as possible. Also schedule a VIP call if you're a VIP. You can also do that if you have more than a couple of questions. But yeah, if you don't have any questions, I'll see you next video. Bye.